Bayambemba. Abwebateri. Boba na kibeni. Ane mpasiko. Ane kumputu mambu mabalu kiri. Kiampu kitabu kiri. Amunderita sukiri. Yeah. Kuntukiri kumakui. Kuikwenda mambu masakiri. Kumputu kiampu kitabu kiri bayari. Yeah, bisukiri.
Hey, Yamemba, mambo nkame. Hey, Yamemba, Yesu bisukiri mama boka.
Benu bale kibimpanga bisakiri. Kumputu minderi baba tukiri kulondi kiampu kibui baya yeah bisukiri.
Hey, Yamemba, mambo nkame. Hey, Yamemba, Yesu bisukiri mama boka.
Abayai, marimwangazi, wike yanga batase, wanguri mpindi, tamangwana, wiko ganga tabawaku, wike yanga mpimba kabo bana, wiko ganga mpimba kabo bana, tukiri kumakuiri, uikwenda mambu masakiri, kumputu kiampu kitabuki, bayai, beya bisukiri.
Hey, Yamemba, mambu kame. Hey, Yamemba, Yesu bisukiri mama bonga.
Abale. Yeah. Amenu Madagascar. Yeah. Julio Rack from Madagascar, s'il vous plaît. Oh yeah. Mariaya, Maringwakati, wike yanga batasea, makuri mpindi, kamangwana, wiko ganga tabawaku. Hey, Yambemba, hey, Yambemba. Kundukiri kumakuiriri, kuikwenda mambu masakiri, kumbutu kiampu kitabuki, bayai, lukwa lungandi.
Hey, Yambemba, mambu nkame. Hey, Yamemba, Yesu bisukiri mama bonga. Yambemba lukale. Yambemba lukale. Yambemba lukale.
Unale.
Yambemba lukale.
Makelekele.
Yambemba lukale.
Kuna boku.
Yambemba lukale.
Kuna boku.
Yambemba lukale.
Mama, kuna ntona mbata.
Yambemba lukale.
Ukisantu kuna levu.
Yambemba lukale.
Kuna ngiringa.
Yambemba lukale.
Kuna boku yaya.
Yambemba lukale.
Yambemba lukale.
Yambemba lukale.
Kuna ngiringa.
Yambemba lukale.
Kuna boku.
Yambemba lukale. Yambemba lukale. Yambemba lukale.
Valérie. Pour vous, mesdames et mesdemoiselles. Isabelle Gonzalez. Parce qu'on est en Europe, hein, c'est la femme d'abord. Kuna beaucoup. Mama kuna ntona bata. Ukisantu kuna lemfu. Kuna ngiringa. Kukipa kuyaya. Selembao kitokimos. Moussa, Burkina Faso. Colin Laroche, France. Quel mélange. Et le chef du groupe qui aime faire beaucoup de bruit, les abracadabra. Emile Biayenda from Congo Brazza. Et nous sommes du même clan. Il est mon Congo, moi aussi je suis mon Congo. La langue que nous chantons, c'est le Kikongo, qui va du Gabon, Congo Brazza, Congo Kinshasa et l'Angola. Cela ne veut pas dire que nous sommes régionalistes. C'est la culture. Et voilà le Mangwana Band international. Yeah. Kuna beaucoup. Mama kuna ntona mbaka. Ukisantu kuna leo.
Cambote doesn't pound.
Oh, thank you very much. You did tell me, I remember now, sorry. Thank you very much. Tata question here. Thank you very much for your time. Gizambote. Okay, let me try to do something. 1 minute, I think something here. You can hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
Yeah, okay, thank you very much. Okay. We're going back to our routine. Remember let me just display my file, my PowerPoint. Let me just greet the audience. Hello, welcome if you are watching. This is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom spoken in Angola, Gabon. Tanzania, can you help please?
Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Democratic Republic of Congo, and Gabon.
Tutondele. Thank you very much. Okay, let me try to display my file. Yes. Tutondele. 1 minute, please. Tata David is not around today. Issue with his computer. Okay, can you see my screen? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay. That's a question. Your mic is off. You're off. Your mic. Yeah, thank you.
Hello.
Now this is our main lesson. I mean book. This is anyway. We're going to read Tata and going to help us to read Tata and please.
Congo language course. Malongi Makikongo, Kizumbu by Professor Hazel Carter and Reverend Joao Makundekwa. Makundekwa. Joan Hazel Carter, 2202-1928 to 308-2016, received her doctorate with her dissertation, Syntactic Tone Phrasing in Congo, Kikongo Language, African Studies Program, Department of African Language and Literature, University of Wisconsin, USA, May 1987.
Oh, tutto we owe it to Tata Makonde and the Professor Hazokata. That's how we always I always make sure that we read it because I have to be thankful, say thank you to them. We say Kikongo, then what are going to translate me? We say Kikongo Utokozi Makiambi. Utokozi Makiambi, remember? Utokozi, then what did you remember?
I remember.
Tata Island, remember?
I think Tata Island should help us.
No, I don't. Unfortunately,
Yes,
I don't remember.
I didn't write on.
But it has something to do with gratefulness.
It's there on the chat. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah. Untokozi. That question, can you read? Can you see my message? I mean, Untokozi.
Untokozi.
Yes,
Ingratitude.
yes.
Oh,
So that's what we always.
Ingratitude is bad.
That's what always we say. Thank you.
Does it mean Tatampandu? Does it mean ingratitude is bad? Is that what it means?
Yeah. Exactly. When I say Untokozi, Makiambi, meaning that it's bad thing. Okay, it is bad. Yes. Then Lydia, can you read for us, please?
The course is designed to teach you to speak rather than to know about Kikongo. These are special teaching drills, not testing drills, as in some language laboratory courses.
Yeah, this is not me. This is the Professor Hazokata writing. Yes. Carry on. I'm going to tell you. This is me.
Kikongo is an intonation language. Pronunciation is very important because it can change the meaning of a word. Please mind the long vowels.
Yeah, long vowel are very. I mean, okay, we're going to see it soon. Kikongo is not a language. Have you noticed something that okay, anyway, I need to think about the sentence. Then I'm going to show you. When we read the word by itself, one tone. When you put a sentence, the tone changes. Ever notice it? No. I need to think. No, I need to think of an example. Kikongo is a tonal language. Okay, different tonal, distinguish different meanings. It is. The other question there. It is like saying when we say sala, we mean stay. Sala, we mean work.
Work. Yeah.
Yeah. So always listen carefully. Yes. It's lesson 3, section 4. We did some grammar last time. I think I'm going to apply it. And just use one single like this here. Okay, this is future. Owana besinga dia kewa kwe ve oyao ke besinga dia ku. Okay. Here we go. Owana. Wana is singular. Wana. Owana. Let's try to write. Wana. Wana. Singular. Wana. Wana plural. Yes, mwana, singular, wana. Don't worry about the leading O. Leading O is just, it is, how to say it? It is the variant, sorry, from the variant of Kikongo in Kisikongo.
To Moana's child?
Yes, mwana is child. Wana. Some people say bana. Did you get it? When I mean,
Yes.
O is for Kikongo spoken in Kikisi Congo, especially. But you don't need to put O. But wana is the word. Some people say bana, B or wana. Question, Tata Kwasi, are you okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, where are we? Okay, yeah, let me just remove this one. Okay. Owana besinga diake wakwe ve oyau ke besinga diako. We are going to eat. I'm telling you. We are going to eat. You need to change this one.
Oh.
Oyeto.
Yes. Oh yeah. Yes. Yes.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah. Here. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oyetu besinga dia.
No. Oh yeah.
No. Oyetu.
Dropping bed.
Nusinga.
Oh yeah. Carry on with the first singular, please. Oh yeah.
Oyetu. You said we, right? We.
Yes, please.
You said they or we?
No, we. First singular, first plural. So.
Okay. Oh.
Yes. Oh
Yeah.
yeah. You drop in B. You drop in BE. You drop in this.
Isinga. Right?
We.
You said no. Oyetu isinga dia. You said first singular, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, plural. Oh yeah. You start in plural. Carry on with plural. You are oh yeah to here. Yeah. Then you.
No. So I said the first time I said oyetu nusinga. No, it's not.
Oh yeah. So then you drop in this one. This is third plural. You need the first plural. Yeah. BE. Drop in BE.
Oh, two singer. I'm saying. What did I say? New singer. Okay, two singer.
You said yeah.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Oh yeah, two singer dia ke wow.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Okay, yeah. Okay, good. Just I was just testing you. Okay, anyway, let's go for the reading. Tata, first line, then brother, Kwasi the second line. Tata, please.
Reading from
Oana.
Oana.
No, Tata reads. Is going to read the first line, then
Okay.
you're going to reply. Yes.
Oana besinga dia ke wow kwe.
Thank you.
Ve oyau ke besinga diako.
Thank you very much, brother. Yeah, Kibesinga Diako. Remember, I mean, this for brother Kwasi, yes? you hit the ground running. I mean, this is Kikongo. This is how you write Kikongo. Remember, Besinga here. Singa is your. Let me write.
The root.
Is it dog?
Yeah, Keko makes the statement negative. Yes, brother. But, Kwasi, yes. Wait. Yes. Singa is your auxiliary, yes? Will, yes? That's a question, yes? Okay, that's a question. Oh, can you hear me, brother? That's a question. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, the other question I was. Can you see? Can you see singer? I mean, can you see my screen? Singer means, I mean, it's will in English. Singer is your auxiliary. That's the question.
Yeah.
Okay, here, singer is there. When you say this is your third person pronoun, third person. Kebesinga diako, them. We are kebesinga diako. So, yes, this is negative. K and ko go together. Kebesinga diako. Question, another question.
Hmm?
Any questions? Another question?
No, sir.
Fine. Thank you. Then what tell you and Tatalan. Then what tell you read then Tatalan is good too. Clients.
Akento besinga lamba kewaukwe
Ve oyau kebesinga lambako.
Thank you very much. I think by now you're fine, Tatalan. Then what tell you, grammar, this grammar, I mean. Tatalan, yes?
Yes.
Yes, you're not sure.
No, well, no, I had a question, but that's okay. I'll ask it later.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, question that and then what tell you, just for you, first line. Singular.
You're singular. Okay. Like first person singular.
Singular, then it should be third singular.
Oh, for a lady, okay. That's the one I got. Okay. It will just be Okento. Right? Okento.
You dropping this?
Kasinga.
Yeah, no, you are right. Let us stick to that, and this, I think this would be a question. Let us stick with the tradition. Osinga, yeah, just keep. I know where you're coming from. Yeah, I remember we did learn about itakwenda, utakwenda, katakwenda, so on. Tata, remember? Yeah. Here we just we're going back to the tradition.
So to say usinga.
Osinga. Don't worry about who. Osinga. I mean, it is the.
So Osinga, I thought Osinga was a second singular.
Second and third in this
Yes,
context.
second
I
and
mean,
third.
confusing.
Okay.
I can remember.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Because I thought it was supposed to be just like she said. I'm confused. I thought it was Kasinga, but
That's what I thought.
It is correct to say Kasinga. I don't want to confuse you.
Okay. But is it also correct to say usinga?
Yeah.
Is it also correct to say usinga?
Oh, second and third. I mean, we're following this
yes,
book.
we did it. We did it before, I remember. Okay.
Sorry?
Okay. Yes, I know we did it before.
Say it again. Sorry.
I remember that we did it before. We learned how to say usinga. But
Yeah,
we also learned the other way.
Yeah. When we're using it, just stay with Osinga on this one.
Okay.
I'm trying to highlight something. It's not working.
Okay.
Give me through it. Okay. Okay. Sorry, technology. Tata, question? You okay? Question?
No questions.
I know. My computer's freezing. Yes. I was talking about Osinga here. B-E. I mean, it is Kikongo, not easy, but okay, let's just keep Osinga for second and third person. Okay, Tata, and then what I do, over to you again. Come back, please. Singular here.
Singular for friends, okay. Okundi, aku, osinga, butuka, kewaukwe, butuka, kewaukwe.
Yes. Give me 1 minute, let me just move Tata, your question.
No. I think I got it. The Oyao, the way they spelled it, it's just for the pronunciation, right?
Oh yeah, because the I wouldn't say it my life. This Kikongo spoken by Tata. You know what I mean, yeah?
Yeah.
The big man. This is the Kikongo, yeah.
Yeah. No,
But
I got it. I figured it out.
this is Kikongo Kisi Kongo, yeah?
Yeah.
Spoken in Mbanza. Because Papa Pastor Makonde from Zombo area. My mama is from
Banza.
Mbanza. So they did a good job. I mean, try to mix. I mean, to have the best of both sides. Very good.
Yeah.
You know, you need to simplify language, otherwise people are not going to learn. Yes, let me try to display
Isn't
this
it
one.
Oyandi
Sorry.
for the answer? If you wanted to respond,
Yeah,
you say Oyandi.
third singular. No change on Ame. You know what your grammar. The question. Let me just.
Because I was meant to do the singular.
The question there.
Yeah.
Yes. See my screen.
Kikongo.
You missed this lesson. If you, I feel I need to send this to the file. Did you get it? The question. Did you get this file? I didn't send this file. This one.
If I know it, no.
Did you receive? Did you receive the file? It was through the WhatsApp. WhatsApp.
With the
it was sent.
numbers?
No,
So
not
the
with the
one
number.
numbers.
No,
Okay,
no,
I
the number.
don't think he received it.
Okay. Just remind me. I'm going to. Okay, here. My. Sorry. I'm trying to use my screen. I'm sorry if you're watching. Sorry. Never mind. Too late. I can't do it now. What was time? You can see my pointer, yes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now it disappeared.
Yeah. Okay. Another question. Take note, please. Just remind me. I'm going to send you the file.
Okay.
Kikongo is very. How do we define it? Let's say it's flexible. My task is to try to find the common denominator in terms of grammar. Which one can we take as a standard so that we're not confused? Are you with me? Yes.
Yes.
Mhm.
So this is the first pronoun, personal pronoun. We have I. The I you see there is I in English as well. Your first person. You. K-A or K-E, T-U, L-U. This is standard, provided that it is, remember, provided that it is, yeah, remember, the keyword here is the tense, yeah, yeah, depend on the tense,
Yeah. The mood.
yeah, yes. So far, we've learned, we're fine with, as long as the present continues, yes? Can you see that?
Me, yes.
Present continuous and present tense. Take note, very important. Take note, write it down. Literally. That's the question. You need to write it down, please. As long as present tense and present continuous, we stick to I, U, K, A, T, U. That's an okay?
Yep.
Yeah. Future, because you have to use a singer, then the game changes, yes?
Yes.
Kuzandu Tata Quest, can you read, please?
Kuzandu Itain Gita Kwenda.
Itakwenda. Don't worry about this one, because this is another version. Alternative. Just stick with. So this one, I itakwenda, yes.
Kuzandu itakwenda. Kuzandu utakwenda.
Itakwenda, yes.
Kuzandu. That's an either or city holding
Okay, yes. You
yeah.
can say kata kwenda or keta kwenda or kate kwenda or kate kwenda. Eh?
Okay.
Kata kwenda or kate kwenda. Is it clear? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Carry on, brother. That question, please.
Kuzandu kati kwenda.
Good,
Kuzandu tutai kwenda.
yeah.
Kuzandu lutai kwenda. Kuzandu bate kwenda.
Better kwenda, yes, yes. Thank you very much. Remember, just on that slide, we said besinga kwenda. See, they're using besinga instead of ba. Yes? That is.
Yep.
On that, the main lesson. Yes?
Yes.
Besinga kwenda. Use besinga instead of basinga. But you could either besinga is correct. Yeah, I was just trying to highlight this, but it is important. Let me go back to, because we need to keep talking, yeah. Keep talking. I mean, the Professor has a cut, as we read, this is a talk. It's a talk. Tata Alain and Tata Kwasi. Tata Kwasi, you read the first line, then Tata Alain, the second, please.
Wakundi aku besinga vutuka kuya
Kewakwe.
Kewakwe.
When you read good, come here. Tata Alain.
Ve oyau kebesinga futukako.
Yes, this one is plural. Singular, Tata Alain. Singular for kundi.
You said.
This is many. Plural. This is plural.
Okundia. Okay, instead of okundiaku.
Yeah, unkundiaku, yes, unkundiaku, yeah. Oh, sorry, did I touch something? Oh, sorry. Yeah, Tata.
Man, I'm having a bad day. I don't remember. I'm not remembering.
You can't see my screen. Can you see my screen, Tata?
Oh, kundi.
Yeah. Remember, this one is a plural, yeah? This one.
The A is the plural.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Remember, some people would say, I mean, the variant would say bakundi, but we say akundi, plural, but when singular, just drop in the A, you change the A to the tonal N, nkundi, yes?
Yeah.
Unkundiaku. Yes, carry on, Tata, unkundiaku.
Okundiaku. You
change
singular?
We're talking about third singular.
Oh, third singular. Usinga gutuka kewau koe.
Yeah, unkundiaku osinga, yes. Osinga vutuka kewakwe, yes. Let me just ask Tata Kwasi. Any question, Tata Kwasi? No, Tata Kwasi, is it clear to you, Tata Kwasi? It's not easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, plural, friends, akundi, the plural, singular, that singular of akundi.
Kundi.
Kundi, yes. N, leading N, yes.
Kundi.
This is Kikongo, Tata, not easy, eh, Kikongo? Okay. Akundi aku besinga butuka kewakwe. Tata kwasi, you read the first and the second line, please.
The first one,
Yes, please.
wakundi waku besinga vutuka kwakwe
Besinga besinga butuka kewakwe. Can you try to read again kewakwe? This one kewakwe.
kwakwe
Kewakwe. Yes. Tata
Ve oyao ke besinga vutukako.
Tutondele. Yes. Okay. That question, you did that write it well, yeah? You understand it. K and ko, they go together, yeah? These are double negative.
Okay.
That all a positive, yes. If it were yes, what would you say? What would you?
Hello.
What are you going to change on this sentence? Yeah, yes, yeah.
Yeah. Hello.
Hmm?
Oyao besinga vutuka.
Well done, yes. That's the question. Did you get that? We're just
Yeah.
removing affirmative, just moving K, K-E, and ko. Yes, I mean hello, oyao, besinga butuka, tutondele. Questions, I'm going to tell you.
No. Always have a question. So if
Go
you
ahead.
want to write the singular for akundi, is it kundi with an N?
Yes,
before?
and yeah, as I said, you know, that's my pen.
Is it correct?
Sorry, my computer is old, yes. Wait, okay, keep moving on. This one is?
Yes.
This
Akundi
one,
is a plural.
this A is your plural. So,
Then if
you drop it, you put N. Nkundi.
okay.
Nkundi, yes.
Kundi.
Nkundi, yes.
Kundi.
Nkundi, then of course you want to drop this as well. Yeah.
Oh, singular. Yes. I understand.
This is Kikongo. Nkundi, singular. N, don't forget N, yeah? N. Nkundi, yes.
Yes. Kundi.
This is Kikongo Nkundi.
Okay. Tutondele.
I'm going to tell you first line and Tata Kwasi, second one, please.
Okay.
Owantu besinga vata kewaukwe
Ve oyau ke besinga vatako.
Well done, well, I like your tone. Yeah, that's okay. 1, 2. I mean, remember, if I try to do it again, say it again.
Okay. Owantu besinga vata kewaukwe
Ve
Ve.
oyau ke besinga vatako.
Yeah, thank you very much. Remember, just let me say it again. This O, the initial O, it is not compulsory. Yeah? I mean, we follow the book anyway, but yes. 1, 2, Bantu. Some people say Bantu, yes. Saying 1, 2.
Yeah. Some people say Oyantu as well.
Kikongo, no, we say others say Bantu or 1, 2, yes.
Okay.
Okay, by the way, 1, 2, singular, that's
Muntu.
well done, yeah. That question, did you get it? Yeah?
Sorry.
It's a plural, singular of 1, 2.
1, 2 is person.
This is a plural, yeah? Singular is
Okay.
Singular is muntu.
Muntu, yeah, Muntu. Yes. Muntu. Yes, Muntu. The root word here is Ntu. Ntu is head, yeah? Ntu. That time, please first learn and then what I do a second.
Endezi zawana besinga sala kewauko, eh?
Ve oyao kebesinga salako.
Yeah, take note. Ndezi is a babysitter, yes?
Endezi.
No, let me just write that. That's confusing. Let me just write the very simple word, easy word, but Ndezi, babysitter.
Okay.
So what is zawana then?
Let's say repeat. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Kikongo, repeat. They're saying you just going round and round. Basically saying you're right. But they're saying babysitter of the children.
Yeah. No, I know. That's what
Babysitter of the children.
Yeah. Okay, I got it.
Kikongo, yeah. But these are language.
Okay. So
It is everywhere.
endezi is the plural.
Sorry?
Endezi is the plural. Endezi is the plural.
Good question. Let me highlight it. Very important. And there's not your plural. Tell me where is the plural here.
Oh, it's one.
Where's the plural?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the ZA.
Well, yeah, yeah. Well done, yeah. Tata Kwasi.
Yeah.
Yeah, did you get it? See there on the screen. Ndezi, this is. It is hard, but this is a Kikongo grammar anyway. Let's move on.
First, yeah.
Yeah, this is Ndezi. Can you see on the screen? This is your word. It does not change. Invariable. It does not change. But plural, your plural, we get a plural here. See the ZA? This is plural.
Okay.
Okay, so the two words go hand in hand then. If you're gonna say babysitter without the singular, you would just say what? Ndezi one.
Again, don't worry about A. The A is not. Is there just
Oh, job. Okay.
It's like an O, the other O, yeah. Omwana, Ongeye, and this A just there.
Oh, it's the same thing.
Yeah, this A don't about the A. It is there. I mean, you should worry, but it is like Kikongo anyway. We just try to make it simple. Am I clear?
Yeah.
How would you say? How would you say it in the singular format?
You tell me that like that. That was my next question. It is there. You know the answer that time. Because you know the future, you drop the future.
Ndezi Mwana?
Yeah, correct. Yeah, Ndezi Mwana. Yeah, yes. Mwana. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ndezi Amwana. Yes.
Ndezi
Yeah. Or make it easy. Ndezi Mwana. You know what I'm talking about. The thing is, because the language is so hard, I think if you don't simplify the language, no one is going to learn a language. Of course, we don't want it to be wishy-washy. No, we need to stick with the standard. Tata Kwasi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ndezi is singular, but it does not change. I mean, there are many words that. Okay, I'm just trying to remove my screen. No, I can leave it. That's one. Ndezi. This is for you, then what tell you are. Pangi. Pangi means?
Pangi means?
Yeah. Family, yeah?
Family, my family.
Brother, sister. Generic, yes. Okay. Let's say my brother. Singular. How do you say it? Pangi? my brother must.
Pangiame. Pangiame.
Well done, yeah.
Yeah, I remember Maria Wasam always says that.
Yeah, yeah. Pangame, Tatane, this is, on the spotlight, Tatane.
Yeah,
Yeah, this
Pangame.
is Pangame, okay, now. Question to you, Tatane. Many friends, my friends. We are not changing the Pangi, it's not changing. Keep it as it is. It's invariable, yeah.
Is it going to be
You know your answer, you did on the previous slide. You did spot it.
Pangizame?
Correct, yes.
Yeah.
This is common in Kikongo, yes. Are we there, Tatan, yes?
Well, Kikongo's
Yeah.
cool. That's very cool.
I mean, I'm not pointing finger to other brothers the other side, Congo, DRC, but many people use Z as plural. But, okay, I won't comment, it's fine. You know what I'm trying to say.
Yes.
Okay. Fumu zamavata besinga vyoka kewakwe ve oya uke besinga vyoka ko. Tata kwasi, can you read the first line? Fumu zamavata besinga vyoka, please.
Read the first line.
Yes, please. Then we'll tell you the second line.
Mpumu zamavata besinga Vyuka. Impiumu zamavata besinga vyuka kewakwe.
Kewakwe, yes. Tata now convert into singular. Okay, convert. This is plural, Tata.
Infumu Mavata.
Don't worry about the A. A. It's confusing, but anyway. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Infumu Mavata.
Yeah, you get in there. Yeah, you done well, but you this year we were dropping both.
We're dropping this. Oh, it's some. So okay, yeah, okay, I understand now. Yeah.
So, Fumu Vata, yes, Fumu Vata.
Fumu Vata. Okay.
Yeah, Fumu Vata. You're right. It's not easy because here, Fumuza, we mean many chiefs because of ZA.
Mm-hmm.
Hang on. I need to correct myself. Yeah, translations are always hard, no? Let me try. Give me 1 minute. Because we're talking about villages, isn't it? Yeah, we're talking many chiefs and many villages, not one single village. Am I right? Yeah?
Is that how it's okay? So, but it'll be written like village chiefs instead of villages chiefs. Right?
Yes, you're right. Yeah. In English, of course, it's correct. So they mean, so basically here, Fumu Vata. Let me just go back to plural. Fumu Za. Now, by putting ZA, we mean many chiefs, yes?
Mm-hmm.
By inserting MA, we mean many villages.
Yes,
correct?
Yeah, that is correct. Yes. Yeah.
The question. Sorry, confusing. Then what did you get that? Then what did you
It's quite confusing, Tatamban.
Yeah, let me just okay. From the English, we have a chief, village chiefs. As Tata has pointed out, this is many villages, yes? Not one, yes? Correct? Yeah? Many chiefs, of course, many villages. Not one single. So here, singular, I mean, let me just go for the future, the plural. Fumuza, za, fumuza. This ZA gives a plural. The MA gives us many villages. That name will tell you, correct?
Okay.
I'm just said. Sorry, ma.
So the singular will be Fumu.
Fumuvata, yeah. Fumuvata. 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 No, you're right. Fumuvata, correct. Fumuvata is correct. Fumuvata, Fumuvata. This one, Fumuza Mavata. Okay, not hard to explain, but I'm sure you understand it. Totally correct? Yes, are you sure?
Yes.
Fumuvata, one person. Fumuzama Vata, many people in the villages. Yes. Okay, here we're going to convert that question.
No questions.
No question. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to tell you. Okay.
Yes.
The first line. Can you read the first line? I'm going to tell you, please.
Owana besingaleka kewauku.
Thank you very much. Singular. I'm going to tell you, please. The same line.
Omwana as osingaleka kewauku.
Yes. Wow. Okay. Omwana. The second line, but singular. Third singular.
Ve.
Oh.
So ve uyandi.
Well there, Oyandi, yeah.
Uyandi osinga le ke
Kesinga lekako, yeah.
Kesinga lekako.
Yes. Okay. Let me just same principle applies, yes. To be singa vivile, yes. Omuntu, singular. Yes. Fumuzama vata besinga bova, same thing. Tutondele, thank you very much for your time. Pangi, yes. Yes, my camera is. Can you see my camera? This is live, yeah? The one camera is live. Tutondele. Thank you very much, Tata Kwasi. Thank you for your time. I know it's early, but we need to honor. I keep saying something. This is what Africans say. We need to honor our ancestors. Yes. Tutondele. Luenda Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Usale Kiambote.
Tata Kwasi, Luenda Kiambote.
Wenda Kambote.
No, I'm saying Luenda Kiambote. I'm saying to you Luenda Kiambote.
And I say Kiambote.
You say Sala Kiambote. I'm saying
Sala Kiambote.
Well done. Tutondele. Okay, we are off next Sunday, yeah? It is Easter. Tutondele. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Kietu yangani kawauko iwao bongole meso mwene isibuli matu uwidi ikonzo dienu Yeno luvo ngabo Kongo jafwa Yeno luvo ngabo Kongo jafwa bizatala kwenwe eyala kulu bizatala kwenwe ekulu mimika se Kongo jatungwa Yeno luvo odiafa